Greetings from another amazing journey on Psychonics, devoted seekers of truth and light. In this crucial phase of Earth's ascension, we explore the profound and revolutionary message from the Pleiadian High Council today. As they lead us into a new period of harmony and enlightenment, the energies are unstable and constantly shifting. Our hearts are opening, shedding traumas, and banishing the darkness that formerly surrounded our souls as we navigate these tumultuous times. This isn't just a conflict, rather, it's the beginning of a brand new world in which the actual power of creation is in charge. We are at the beginning of an amazing shift in the ongoing story of light and darkness. Much has been accomplished, and the never-ending conflict between light and dark is almost over. The gloom that formerly shrouded our planet is dissipating, allowing light to shine through. The way is being cleared for a peaceful Earth and a life filled with harmony and balance through new treaties and holy agreements. We are urged to welcome the magic and marvels that are happening as we see this enormous transition take place. Before us, the warmth of heavenly love is starting to defrost our hearts, which have been frozen by fear and uncertainty for a long time. Now is the moment to welcome the magic of this new era with open hearts. With their age-old knowledge, the Pleiadian High Council leads us and exhorts us to believe in the process and embrace the magic that is gradually integrating into our daily lives. Ego and soul contracts play a key role in the complex tapestry of our lives. Many who have trouble experiencing love tend to cling to things they know are comfortable. This behavior is woven into the sacred fabric of entwined soul contracts that connect us together rather than being a flaw. It is a normal aspect of our path. These contracts, which direct our interactions and experiences during this lifetime, are divine agreements established prior to our incarnation. This vast scheme involves our ego, which yearns for security and possession. It provides a sense of security in the face of uncertainty by clinging to the known. However, as we progress through the stages of spiritual awakening, we start to see that these patterns are part of a greater holy scheme. Every soul contract is a strand in the vast tapestry of human growth, guaranteeing that every experience, regardless of whether it is motivated by fear or love, has a higher purpose. We become aware that the decisions we make are crucial when we awaken. While some souls have accepted the path of light and waking, others have opted to explore the depths of darkness. This variety of experiences is essential since it adds to the universe's collective wisdom. It is imperative to keep in mind that there are no coincidences in this enormous universe. Every interaction and decision we make is a purposeful step on the path of our souls. The depth of our interconnectedness is becoming increasingly apparent during this time of great awakening. The gravity of our reciprocal reception becomes evident as we wake up. We start to understand how our relationships, shaped by our soul contracts, are intended to stimulate development and change. The Pleiadian High Council reminds us that we are all connected in a dance of understanding and support for one another, and that our awakening is not an isolated event. Daily spiritual exercises and the practice of visualization become essential components of our development on the holy path of ascension. If you will, picture a world in which love is freely given and received, and where everyone's heart is open. With the power of vision, we may bring this reality to life rather than just a far-off fantasy. Take a moment every day to recognize the Creator in everyone you come into contact with. This straightforward yet extremely effective technique broadens our viewpoint, enabling us to see the divine spark that lives inside every person and promoting compassion and harmony. At the same time, we are witnessing incredible transformations in our DNA. These small changes that occur every day have a big impact. Some people may experience these changes more keenly when our consciousness soars to new heights, a phenomenon known as soul infusion. Higher frequencies are infused into our physical bodies through this process, rearranging our DNA to conform to the new cosmic energies. This metamorphosis is the meeting point of the spiritual and the bodily in a sacred alchemy. Divine energy can enter our being more readily when our DNA changes, making us more sensitive to the energies of the source. This new energy level, which some have referred to as soul infusion, strengthens our spiritual awareness and our bridge to the higher planes. It is crucial that we continue with our daily routines and visualizations throughout these times of significant change. By doing this, we ground ourselves in the light and glide gracefully and clearly through the waves of change. The Pleiadian High Council invites us to embrace these activities because we know that every minute we spend connecting spiritually and visualizing puts us one step closer to the peaceful future we envision. We are at a critical juncture in the holy ascension path where the Earth's energies are diverging, resulting in a significant metamorphosis. We see a visible separation between the old Earth and the newly formed new Earth as we rise. People choose their pathways in this process, which is not one of abandonment, but rather one of preparation and willingness to become more aware of themselves. There are spirits that have made the decision not to raise their consciousness just yet. Rather, they go deeper into their present condition and act as catalysts to bring others to a faster degree of awareness. The new Earth's vision becomes clearer as this separation takes shape. People who are committed to their ascension path are heading into this new world, which is characterized by harmony, oneness, and higher vibrations. For those who match its frequency, this new Earth is a reality now, not some far-off promise. Meditation is essential to this development since it involves spiritual practice and conscious purpose. During meditation, we can embed the energy of the new Earth into our current reality by envisioning a bright future. Through this practice, we can jointly create a world that is ruled by love, peace, and enlightenment. When we are in a meditative state, we perceive a world in which all living things coexist peacefully with divine flow, and the universe's heartbeat unites us. The Pleiadian High Council invites us to welcome this vision in our meditations, to see past the chaos of the present into the boundless possibilities that lie ahead of us, and to concentrate on the positive parts of our future. By holding this vision, we help make it a reality, bringing the new Earth closer with each and every act of love, intention, and thought. It is our responsibility to live as though the new Earth has already arrived, to envision its peace and beauty, and to keep a constant focus on it during these times of profound change. By aligning with the Ascension's higher vibrations, we are able to smoothly transition into the new Earth and welcome others who are prepared to join us on this amazing adventure. By focusing on this vision and engaging in meditation, we may create a world where the divine essence of humanity can develop and reach its full potential. To navigate these moments of tremendous shift with grace and peace, one must establish a connection with higher energies. During this era of change, a profound sense of serenity and harmony can be experienced by harmonizing with the Earth's inherent cycles. We can better navigate the currents of change by harmonizing our energies with the planet's pulse and tuning into these rhythms. To strengthen this connection, it is highly encouraged to practice meditation every day. By creating a sacred space where we can communicate with both the divine energy that surrounds us and our inner selves, meditation acts as a bridge to higher worlds. Regular meditation helps us develop a heightened awareness and inner tranquility that are necessary to keep our balance as things around us change. The meditation technique known as golden light is especially effective. Imagine the earth bathed in a golden glow. During this meditation, a light that radiates divine energy, healing, and love. Imagine this golden light growing as you take deep breaths and enveloping the entire world in its comforting embrace. As the golden light combines with your heart, feel the healing and love that you are sending out into the world. Imagine this golden light reaching all creatures on earth and filling them with love and healing energy from all directions. Observe how the light dissolves negativity, pain, and fear and replaces them with harmony, joy, and peace. In addition to raising your personal vibration, this visualization supports the planet's ascension and overall healing. We are guided to practice this meditation on a regular basis by the Pleiadian High Council, as we are aware of its significant effects on a personal and global level. We can become channels for divine energy and raise the frequencies of love and healing in our collective consciousness by imagining the earth bathed in golden light. We become more closely aligned with Earth's inherent rhythms and fortify our connection to higher energies as we continue this exercise. This harmony creates a sense of serenity and oneness, and makes the passage through these pivotal times easier. When we meditate, we co-create a world that is happier and more harmonious, spreading love and healing throughout the entire world. By means of the golden light meditation, we are able to utilize the force of the cosmos and our own goals to generate a loving and light-filled field that facilitates the process of ascension. One mindful breath at a time, this exercise serves as a reminder of our interconnectedness and our power to positively impact the world. It is essential that we recognize our progress and rejoice in each little triumph we experience on this holy ascent journey. No matter how small at first glance, every advancement is evidence of our development and evolution. These turning points serve as the cornerstones of our spiritual development, and acknowledging them strengthens our resolve to press on. Give these accomplishments some thought. They show the strength and resiliency we all possess. Our courage is the light that leads us through the dark, and our resilience is the power that gets us past obstacles. By accepting these aspects of ourselves, we reaffirm our ability to go through any challenge and welcome the new earth that is ahead of us. Every soul has a distinct and vital job to perform in the vast scheme of the cosmos. Happy or difficult, every experience advances the development of consciousness. The Pleiadian High Council reminds us that this is a shared adventure with all of creation rather than a solo one. Our cosmic family's love and wisdom help us as we make our way through the ups and downs of our spiritual awakening. We are co-creating a new reality together, one in which unity and love are paramount. We become lighthouses, paving the way for others to follow as we merge with the energies of the new earth. We are getting closer to realizing our shared dream of a world ruled by love, peace, and harmony with every step we take. Let us take the knowledge and direction of the Pleiadian High Council with us as we wrap up this insightful journey on Psychonics and hold it close to our hearts. As we accept our responsibilities as guardians of the new earth, let us firmly establish its energies in our minds, words, and deeds. As a group, we are bringing in a new age of harmony and enlightenment in which every one of us possesses a brilliant divine light.